Hey, what's up, guys? So there's gonna be a video on the Berk test pipes install. Hopefully, if I can fucking do it without an impact gun. I'm gonna be using a breaker bar, and that's it. I'm not using the Berk gaskets because they're really crappy. They're out of literally paper. So I use my old Z1 ones I had on my G. They look bad, but they're just rusty because they've been on water. So these are Z1 metal gaskets. So I'm gonna be using this. And alright, let's see how it goes. Alright, guys. So I got all the bolts out. Oh man, that was a job. It took me about an hour and a half. All these bolts right here were the easy ones. The hard ones are the demon bolts. Like even with a breaker bar, I couldn't. So I got that piece of tube steel thing, and that I broke it real easy with that. So for sure, get that if you don't have an impact gun. I did everything by a breaker bar. I used PB Blaster, and that's about it. Well, now you see why I'm also changing my test pipes, because the previous owner did this bullshit here, and honestly, that's disgusting what he did. Disgusting. And it sounds like crap. And I have a huge leak right here on my flex pipe, so it sounds crappy as hell. So I'm not gonna fix that. I'm gonna just order a white pipe this weekend. I think I'm gonna go either with Z1, or if they have it in stock, because I know they don't have crap in stock right now, or ISR, because I know it's good quality for the price. I wish I could go Mortardyne, but not yet. I'll eventually upgrade to Mortardyne. So alright, let's take these off. Alright, guys, they're on. I still need to tighten the bolts, so I'm gonna do that real quick. They look good, so I'm gonna tighten it real quick.